I'm happy to be with you to help dedicate the Hall of Data Science and AI, a cutting-edge facility where students and faculty will make giant leaps in learning and discovery.
With data science and artificial intelligence at the heart of so many modern advancements, our mission has never been so critical. This new hall will serve as an incubator for ideas and the training ground for the next generation of leaders. It will empower students to harness the power of data, think critically, and develop the solutions that will advance industries and change lives.
We're going to always remember the Schliemann's legacy and this hall's long and proud history. But for many more generations of Boilermakers to come, hopefully with the human intelligence driving artificial intelligence and harnessing the best of data science, we're going to create the future together here. Thank you so much. Boiler up.